Shimmering in tropical perfection, the privately owned resort island of Bangko Laut lays just 1.6 kilometers off the west coast of Peninsular Malaysia. Featuring 300 acres of ancient rainforest, secluded beaches, and stunning rocky outcrops, the resort was designed to sit in total harmony within this island paradise. Distinctive Malay-style sea villas perch on stilts over the blue tidal shallows, while elsewhere guest suites, villas and luxury estates blend seamlessly into the landscape. Popular with honeymooners and those seeking the ultimate island indulgence, Bangko Laut offers fine dining restaurants, an entire spa village retreat, bathhouses and pools, each featuring breathtaking design and attention to detail. A short 40-minute boat ride from the mainland Lumut, Bangko Laut is a world away from the everyday.